Hello friends, in this session we will learn how to remember the oxyacids. You only remember these four oxyacids: eic acids or orthoic acid. Which eic acid? Nitric acid, phosphoric acid, sulfuric acid, chloric acid. Only these four acids formulas are required to remember. And then remove one oxygen atom from eic acid, you will get os acid. Which os acid? If you remove from nitric acid one oxygen atom, you get nitrous acid, HNO2, nitrous acid. From phosphoric acid, you will remove one oxygen atom, you will get S3PO3, phosphorus acid. And then from sulfuric acid, one oxygen atom remove, you will get sulfurous acid. Okay. From chloric acid, you will remove one oxygen atom, you will get chlorous acid. Chlorous acid. So, only four acids you have to remember with their formulas and name, these basic acids. And then just remove one oxygen atom, you will get os acid. Again, from os acid you remove one oxygen atom, you will get hypoos acid. Let's see. From nitrous acid you remove one oxygen atom, you will get dimers of this hyponitrous acid, HNO by 2. These are dimerizes and we will get hyponitrous acid. Then from phosphoric acid, phosphorus acids, phosphorus acid, from phosphorus acid you will remove one oxygen atom, you get H3PO2, hypophosphorus acid. Hypophosphorus acid. Then sulfurous acids, hyposulfurous acid are not exist. Then chlorous acid, from chlorous acid one oxygen atom is removed, you will get HClO, hypochlorous acid. So only you have to remember these four acids with their formulas and names. And then if you add one oxygen atom to eic acid, you will get per or peroxy acids. Which peroxy or pereic acid? Nitric acid, peroxy nitric acid, peroxy phosphoric acid, peroxy sulfuric acid. In these three acids, these are the peroxy acids, and HClO4, these are the perchloric acid. In peroxy, oxygen linkage are there, and in perchloric acid there is no oxygen linkage. So from these four basic acid, you have remember the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 acids by these. Only remember these four basic acids. Which acid? Ortho or eic acids: nitric acid, phosphoric acid, sulfuric acid, chloric acid with their formula. Then just remove one oxygen atom, you will get os acid. Which os acid? Nitrous acid, phosphorus acid, sulfurous acid, chlorous acid. Again, from os acid you remove one oxygen atom, you will get hypoos acid. From nitrous acid you remove one oxygen atom, it get dimerizes, form HNO by 2, hyponitrous acid. Then H3PO3, phosphorus acid, one oxygen is removed, you will get H3PO2, hypophosphorus acids. Then sulfurous acids, hyposulfurous acid are not exist, it is unstable. And then from chlorous acid you will remove one oxygen atom, you will get hypochlorous acid. Afterward, from basic acid you will remove, you will add the one oxygen atom in the basic acid, you get per or peroxyic acid. In nitric acid, one oxygen atom is added, you will get HNO3, from HNO3 HNO4, HNO4 peroxynitric acid. Then in phosphoric acid, one oxygen atom is added, you get H3PO5 peroxyphosphoric acid. Then in sulfuric acid, one oxygen atom is added, you get peroxysulfuric acid. These three acids are peroxy as there is oxygen-oxygen linkage are present. As there is oxygen-oxygen linkage are present. And then chloric acid, you add one oxygen atom, you will get perchloric acid. That's how remember these 20 acids or 18 acids, only remembering the four basic acids. These four basic acids: nitric acid, phosphoric acid, sulfuric acid and chloric acid with their formulas. And just remove one oxygen atom, you will get us acid. Remove one oxygen atom, hypo-us acid, and then add one oxygen atom, per or peroxyic acid. Thank you very much.